Food Festival 2023 in Tansen and Palpa. A food festival, an event of celebrating with food and drinks. The process gives the energy to the community and the visitors to get the vibe of it. The food makers are managing their stalls and materials. The foodware like yumari, bara, lakamari, choila, sekua, momo, homemade pickle, and many other things. We all have been waiting for this event to be held, and this was the day that we enjoyed. And most of the people were coming from different places and visit our event. It was a great day. People showed their culture and tradition with their foods and dresses. It is not just an event but a way of developing tourism in Palpa.
Turn your life into a celebration. Live every day as if it is a festival.
So where is the drone shot? Vanira होला सबैले. So here it is. Nothing brings people together like good food, and we ate a lot. So I think we should give them an award for their acting. The waiting and the enjoyment of having food, everybody were so happy, the smile on the face, children were playing around, and so many more. Festivals are not just an event, but it's a way of sharing happiness with their friends and family. Living the moment and capturing their emotions, it feels amazing.
As I know, one of the secrets of a happy life is continuous small treats. So this event was one of them.
And this is how we Palpalis celebrated the Food Festival 2023, and wait for the further videos, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below.
My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself.
This is how the 2023 Food Festival of Tansen and Palpa ends. Bye bye.
Happy birthday.